How to market your Airbnb. Welcome back to the channel, and let's start with the video. Marketing for your Airbnb will help to attract guests and potential customers. You should have a competitive marketing strategy. For this, you can optimize your setting to start off. Ensure that your Airbnb listing is well written, visually appealing, and optimized for search engine. Use high-quality photos that showcase your space and highlights its unique feature. Write a compelling description that accurately portrays the experience guests can expect. Set competitive pricing. Research similar listing in your area and set competitive pricing for your space. Consider offering discount for longer stays or implementing dynamic pricing strategies to adjust your rates based on demand. Utilize your Airbnb feature. Take advantage of Airbnb's built-in marketing feature, such as the Superhost badge. It represents outstanding hospitality and the instant book option, which allows guests to book your space without prior approval. Now, another is to promote positive reviews. Encourage satisfied guests to leave positive reviews by providing excellent service and following up with a polite request after their stay. In the world of technology, you should play a vital role to promote your Airbnb on your social media. Promote your Airbnb listing on platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. Share photos of your space, highlight positive reviews, and include a link to your Airbnb listing in your bio or post. You also have to create a website or blog. Consider creating a dedicated website or blog to showcase your Airbnb listing and provide additional information about your space and the surrounding area. Optimize your website for search engines to attract organic traffic. You can collab with influencers or local businesses. If you partner or collab with an influencer or local business, it will help you to promote your Airbnb listing to their audience as well. Offer discounted stays or other incentive in exchange for the promotion. Depending on the time of the year or any festivities, you can offer special package or deals. It will help you to attract guests in such discounted rates for off-peak stay and complimentary amenities. And that is how you can easily boost up the marketing for your Airbnb. And that's a wrap for this video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.